These air conditioners are made in China by Midea and are sold online through Walmart. All of the units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. The KAW models are available for regular or casement windows and use 115-volt power. The casement window model has a 10,000 BTU cooling capacity and a 10.4 EER efficiency, while the regular unit has a 6,000 BTU capacity with an 11 EER efficiency. The MAW model has basic mechanical controls and only a 2-speed fan with a 5,000 BTU cooling capacity, but they are very inexpensive. The guarantee on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not very good when compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.